Hi, I'm Dr. Miter. Today I'm here with a patient that we are going to do what's called an onlay, which is a porcelain type restoration. She has a large filling that she had done when she had braces, so it's been a number of years ago. And this large filling is deteriorating and breaking down. And so this is going to be a more permanent solution. And what we're going to do is take that filling out with the laser. And the reason we're going to do that is because the laser does not create any trauma to the tooth. Unlike the handpiece. Every time the handpiece touches the tooth and works on it, traumatizes the tooth, and there's an increased risk of needing a root canal with that. And so with the laser, we want to minimize that risk of needing a root canal, especially at her age. We don't want to do a root canal. And so we're going to take this out with the laser. We'll just do a light preparation with the handpiece afterwards and get a long-term solution. Alright, so we got it done for today, and this process is similar to a crown in that we prepare the tooth, we took an impression so we can send that to the lab, and then the tooth now has a temporary in it. Yeah. And so it's going to take a little bit of time for us to get that onlay back from the lab, and then we will bond that into place and get a great outcome. And she'll have a long-term solution for this tooth, and it should hold up for a long time. Alright, so today we're going to bond on the onlay, and it can be a little sensitive, so we numbed her up for that, and we're going to get a great long-term outcome. Alright, so we got all done. We bonded the onlay into place, so there's a little bit of a process to bond things on, but it went pretty well. Now, how does it feel to you?
It feels much better. It feels like I have my whole tooth again. I don't have to worry about sensitivity or if it'll fall off because it's on there for a good long time. Thanks.
Great, thank you.